ugly woman with favor sin. We are talking about your worship God. You don't say if you have a devil no blood clot. Let me tell you something about God people, wicked woman. You see God people, Kasha, since that you come stop me, love, for what you may avoid, me not answer, and for me life, me see dirty woman, me not answer, stinking woman, but let me put her in your place now, devil, because you're Satan, Let me put her in your place now. You know, say favor witchcraft. You know, so you suffer, wicked people. God people don't suffer so. So stop calling upon God to get gift over your life. But people bad man, who bad man you? I must blood clot Rosalie attack cause I could me. I mean a Rosalie. No man, a Rosalie come. A Rosalie asks about the problem. No, I lie. Someone asks about candy. And me say, do not ask about candy, I don't know nothing about candy. Only those say Kasha classed me. For candy, I said, if you leave candy, I don't leave it. That's what I said last night. Don't ask about no candy. Then Rosalie start and then Rosalie attack. Rosalie no say nobody, no. Rosalie only say Kasha keep match and Kasha fi build our team when you're keeping a match. You said right. When you come in and TikTok and do a match, you need to build a team before you build a match. When you're doing an official match, you build a team. Rosalie no say no bad. I don't know about that. Every time when people don't say no bad, that look how dirty stinking woman here. You go talk about blood. Mitch you know my blood clot supporter. Rocky you know my supporter. So when you have a blood clot talk about say through Mishi and Rocky and Legs are running to you, there is not my supporter, darling. Them is not, they never, yes, Legs support me. When Legs are support, something there. Them support me, but I know my supporter. I candy blood clot supporter. My supporter. Candy supporter, candy blood clot supporter. Me love. Me know my true supporter them. Me know my supporter them. So when you go talk about say 2 legs are running, what are you talking about, lady? I must Rosalie attack cause I couldn't me. I can't me attack Kasha. And I go talk. You say me now bet me? Hey, look here. Me no want to ask no about candy. Me no want hear no about candy. Me no have no to do with candy. Bumbo clock. Can you see any time me talk about candy? Or if candy come from me line? Or if anything? Or right now, they need to do a World Cup with me and candy on side. Me and nobody on the side, my love. Me not do no World Cup with nobody, my love. Because they notice, every time they talk about candy, it's my name at the topic. My name or Rosalie name, but it does always be my name. It's just always me at the topic. Why me? Why blood clot me? First, you say me the family life a big money for candy. You know record me the family life a big money. I want if you girl send the record to me. Girl send the record no. Send the record no girl. Cause me know me the family life a big no money for candy, my love. Me don't want nobody tell no life on me. More than me attack I say, if they want to assist, me platform they here. And that's all me say. If they want to assist, my platform they here. Make she company live and make she say, Destiny, Candy is okay. We're not doing anything. Candy is good and alright. Done and gone. This big stinking dirty witchcraft woman. This ugly blood clot, choppy face blood clot woman. I love, cause at the end of the day, woman, I love how your face looks so. This dirty blood clot woman, I'm gonna call me name over her life and I'm gonna talk about say, oh, Rosalie. Me and Rosalie still a class R. Rosalie not even say no bad. Me not say no bad. Somebody asked me about candy and me said, do not ask me about candy. Because the last time me talk about candy, they come class me. Me never did I beg no money for candy. Tell me say something wrong. When they say candy in a jail, me say, if them want to support, them can use my platform. Right? That's what I said, Me not say nothing bad. And that me say them can use my platform. What me say wrong in that? Me not say nothing wrong in that. Me say something wrong in that. And some people don't sound stupid. Me say, if you have somebody a friend, I mean, if me and Candy a friend out here and Candy they are jail, right? We don't know if them are going to want money for lie or nothing. I mean, say, guys, you can't use my platform. Me never say no, me never beg no money. Why me I beg money for Candy? Not tell no bumbo clot like for me, man. Not tell no blood clot like for me, man. But beg money for blood clot Candy, man. Not tell no like for bumbo clot me, man. I'm going to tell you like candy me blood. Me no whine about blood clot candy. Me hear? Me no about candy about this a blood clot, love. Anything want me to blood clot candy in a prison or jail. I know my bumbo clot business, beloved. I know my blood clot business. Anything want me to them, I know my business a blood clot. Me too enough, you know. Me too blood clot enough. Me too bumbo clot enough. I candy me because a blood clot candy me and share an argument, you know. Me no want nobody ask about bumbo clot candy, man. Me no know no pussy clot. Lady, in the name of Jesus, leave me alone, you hear? You hear? All right. Relax because news never carry right. Then people, you cannot blame somebody and you don't have any proof. It to be early because go suck your mama man, go see God in the egg, girl, go near mouth, you need to go seek the devil. Go see the blood clot devil, my love. Sell a soul to the devil, make the devil kill you your blood clot generation and come off of my life drunk. I'm defend my blood clot self, my love. Come off of my life, I'm defend myself dead dog. I thought me say me never want magic, my love. Me go so yeah, and ring off your blood clot ears, my love. Me just use my power and just ring off your blood clot ears. Ring off all your foot, my love. You can't walk in a peace. Girl, go on here. Fucking shit house, shit bowl. Like one dirty stand pig. I defend myself, my love. I defend myself. Cause Rosalie never said me now pick up for Rosalie, no. But by too bad Rosalie never said no bad. They say Candy say they no want Kasha do nothing. No, Kasha must say Candy no need nothing. Candy okay, Candy good. Candy no want nothing. So we are say, so Rosalie I said Candy no want lie and then they. Eh? So me I said then she say Candy no want nothing, me love. She a sister, me by no Candy sister, you know. And she a sister. That means say she know she a do me love. Right? Y'all come talk about Rocky and blood clad Mitri Boo. This thing gonna be the video, you know? Alright, come on for this. Go suck your mother, I don't argue with bitch in Jamaica. Bitch, let me tell you something, I don't argue with 876. Get your blood clot plus 197 number or a plus 39. It's not even so bad. Down in Afghanistan, 876 cannot call my phone, my love. Because let me tell you something, my love. My money is too higher than blood clot Jamaica. So when you're coming for me, girl, you better come for me with respect and blood clot, love, dirty woman. Nobody come for me and come for me with blood clot Jamaica dollar. Please me and ask for me, love, because Jamaica dollar no make no sense. None. Oh. So nobody come for me Jamaica dollar. When you come to me properly. I mean, I don't know this to come, okay? For me, say me love, you don't have no big badge, you don't make no sense. You can't tap, because you hand them a handicap. Leave me talk. Me just did over the woman life, do? I did over there. So leave me talk, me love. Me and somebody pin it to me, no care. You know why now go like me? Because me a girl always defend me blood clot self. I'm will forever defend myself. You see Swiss Lee? You know why so much people take walk past Swiss Lee? You know why? When Switzerland just answer them and put them in them place, them not leave Switzerland alone. No, them not do it. You see like when Miss Chipo put Shiba in that place in a proper way. And Miss Chipo put pretty in a proper way and then don't look back. You see Switzerland, so much people walk up on Switzerland. Yeah, me nobody walk up on me a blood club. Me a put them in them place. But you see them, they're going to get me, you know. Because I go far and dig up them file. And dig up them file, I know say, that one enough for trouble, that one, yeah. You think Miss Mac can't come in here? Miss Mac have to talk good about me. Because she know me rather mar. Oh, yes, that's what you do. I mean, I'm going to defend myself, love. I'm going to continue to defend myself. Me don't want nobody to no lie upon me. When they say Candy in a jail, the only thing I talk on my platform is, I say, guys, if they want any help for Candy, my platform is welcome. That's what I said, you know. Me not say nothing bad. Me say my platform is here. AliExpress. Me say my platform is here. Rosalie have her platform, but my platform is here. If they need any assistance with Candy situation, that's what I said. Right? Me never say nothing bad. They must go over there And they go tell Kasha, you know, no proof. Then tell the woman say, how we are beg money for candy. They say, we are beg money for candy, you know. Me no want no beg candy at jail. They say, me over here, I beg money for candy. Poor me, I want it. Could I beg money candy? Poor me, we want it. I beg one push blood clot candy. I'm your candy, mama. I'm your candy blood clot, father. I'm your blood clot candy, man. Me have candy number. Or leave me alone. All right. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. How this?
Hello. Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. Who is this?
Hi, it's Freaky. I just want to say
Freaky. Come back, Freaky. Look here, Freaky. Come back, Freaky. Come back. Me love bring her down. Me and Rose. Me that bring her down. Nobody a bring her down. Me say something bad. Me go tell you how that start last night. Hello? I see your stomach one no Freaky. Hey, hello?
hello.
Uh,
No, I don't want no problem. I just want to say I love you. That's it. I don't want you to be upset, okay?
okay, love you too, mama. Show me I do something right now. All right,
Bye.
love.
Okay, bye.
Stay sweetie. May God bless you.
You too, baby.
People, me say for my life say, if them alone no donation for candy, my platform is here. Beg, either when you put up a cash shop and an app, PayPal and then you beg for your person. Say, guys, that person that trouble me a beg $120. That is beg. Saying, you know, remember I say, you know, say me I go, if them need it, if them need my platform, then my platform will come. They go over there and tell woman pure things. Woman start class me. Listen, you know. She accuse me of me a batty man. And me a go dead. And me a germs. So me turn to her and say, if me a batty man, you're picking them a batty man because them fuck me. She say me cause her opinion. Tell me wrong. No, you want to talk about me a batty man. I can't say it. Make me tell you something, my love. You see, anything when you call upon a man, be careful. You have your kids them, my love. You have your kids them. You have your penny them, and we don't want for your penny. Don't do to people penny, my love. What you do if you don't want nobody to call the son name Batman, stop calling me Batman. Stop it. Stop it, my love. Because if you tell me say me a fish, I'm gonna tell you say your son them fuck me, which is right. Yeah. Which is right. Number one, nobody know their future. Nobody not just get up and be gay. You know, sometimes I not even know why. Sometimes I just want to see him dirty man. Sometimes I don't see a man them fuck off, grip off on the pitney them, and them become gay, and you don't even know. Me know why I beg no money for candy, you know? Me swear on Father God life. Me not beg no money for candy to blood clot. Me somebody go send me the record now, hear the record. Me not beg no money for candy, none. More than me say, guys, if candy need any help, my platform is here. Me now go tell no lie. Somebody coming at me before me and Rosalie never define the life first, right? But somebody coming at me inbox and say Rosalie must see that beg Amanda, which is a no joke Rosalie I make with Amanda. And Rosalie never did that beg no money for no candy. Rosalie that say you want to go look for you want to go visit candy. So me I say, alright then if Rosalie go visit candy, me I say na my mind say me can get Rosalie $100. Me can go buy some candy and we all away and candy a friend out here. Me not beg no money for candy. Why would I beg money for candy? So me not understand how Kasha just get you man just go up on a live and start class me. So me I beg money for candy and she don't have no proof. Me didn't beg no money for candy. What Mitchie booted blood clot there, me love her, me a ball out her name, me love. She was here. She was here, me love. And she knows say me not have the money for blood clot candy, me love. So she need to go tell Carter say, me not have the money for blood clot candy for that ugly woman, they leave me alone. Last night, remember she cussed me now. She still watch me live. Last night, me and Rosalie for live. Somebody asked me, say, oh, Candy in a jail. Me say, please, do not ask me about Candy. The reason why me not nobody ask about Candy, anytime I talk about Candy, I me then come for. Candy just know dirty blood clot Kasha on the internet. Candy don't know Kasha in real life. Me know a blood clot booby in a real life. In a blood clot, New Kingston Gully. Me know, I mean, I'm calling Candy. Me know a booby in a real blood clot life in a New Kingston Gully. Yeah, I mean, I'm part of the LGBT. You know the LGBT as a straight blood clot woman. Step aside. Step a blood clot side, yeah, woman. You're a blood clot when I'm a man. So you supposed to step a blood clot side. You supposed to step over blood clot. It's Alice Batty man fucking at your wall. Come on, your pussy must shit up. Why you a blood clot come for me? You know for me that dirty man come for me and answer that blood clot witchcraft woman. You know say if you're a witch. You know say if you're a blood clot witch. You say a witch. You know so God people them pretty and nice. Me no she and Candy Grand Candy a young boy and she a big old man. People go on for my life, yeah. Me don't care if she and Candy go on my business that. I was not begging any money for Candy. Look here. Remember me and Candy cuss, you know. Remember me and Candy go down the road, you know. But you know what I'm going to tell all the Candy people, we are take side and say me I beg money for Candy. Uno and Candy, fuck off. The whole I'm going to choke through my mama. Me say so, yeah. So that fish wouldn't say me no one friend from now. I don't care. The whole I'm going to go fuck off. Me don't about to tell no lie for me a blood clot, me love. Yes, uno fuck off. The whole I'm going to go fuck off. Go fly and die through the blood clot, mama. Yeah. Me don't want to call me blood clot, yeah, me love. Because I know someone who did over here. Chrissy, I'm my support, I know. Chrissy support Candy. Chrissy, I'm my support on Instagram. She was here. That girl was here. All I Candy support they did there with me attack. They need a writer so. They did a so. And they know me need a beg no money for Candy. Last night somebody comment on me live and say, we Destiny with Candy, the Candy alright. Me say please do not ask about Candy. And that me say no, me say problem. Me say no ask about Candy because every time I talk about Candy, Kasha come for me. I said that. I said it. That's what I said. Right? And Rosalia say, you know Kasha over the attack say, oh, she know what? She say Kasha over the attack say, Candy alright. And Candy, Candy no want nothing. That ain't sitting there. So me I say, oh, she know Candy good. And Rosalia say she only say it for herself. Right? So me I say, how she know say Candy good answer? Nobody not turn, nobody not cause her. She say she a keep official match. Rosalie say, when you keep official match, even me say too, me say when you keep official match, you have to build a team. When you build a team now, you come together and do a match. Sometimes the match don't go and you have to build a team. You have to make sure say you have a team. Right? Nobody say no bad. You come figure, nobody say no bad. You come talk about blood clot Rocky and Michibu. You see me a big Rocky and Michibu blood clot something. You ever hear me send my life to Rocky and Michibu yet? Legs I support me long time and legs I support Candy long blood clot time. You hear? Me I make you know that long time. Long time, darling. Long time. You ever see me I send Rocky or blood clot me through my life? They gonna give me? Lady, don't do it. Please. Do not do it, my love. But I must Rosalie share that girl's going to me. Rosalie. Hey, how much time? Come here, go back to my friend, you know. And she did work 5. No, I must Rosalie share that. I couldn't me. Remember, I know. So my Candy people don't like me. Just like how you talk out your mouth, say, them don't like Rosalie. Because you talk out your mouth, say, Candy moderator don't like Rosalie. You talk out your mouth cautious, say Candy moderator don't like Rosalie. So I must when you and the moderator they sit down and chat, say, me don't really care if they want to come for me, me love. Me don't talk, come and talk. Because if you come out and say the moderator don't like Rosalie, and you and the moderator, my friend, that means you and the man chat something. If I'm a smart girl, I mean, I said, no, well, then I have no fit with me that I am Rosalie pieces. Because Rosalie can't tell me, look, your class Rosalie, and what do you say, Rosalie? So Rosalie can't tell me, look, Rosalie, yeah, Rosalie. You, right now, you and Rosalie come like one garbage bin. You really care nobody want come. No, and Rosalie come like one garbage bin, to be honest. Because me not say no, me love. Me not say no, me love more Rosalie. Boy, me have to laugh to blood clot. More than Rosalie attack, and Rosalie... Hey, Rosalie! Old Rosalie! I will run out there now. Rosalie attack. And we have to say, okay then. Oh, thank you, Mama, for the galaxy. Every day is something, somebody. Be a little lucky, me no care. Hey, me no, when TikTok gone, how you go manage? Terry? TikTok can't go to Switzerland, you know. Because we people have to vote and the people not go vote. So you go manage. Eh? Look here now, Rosalia say. So me I say she have support to Rosalia said, oh, somebody I go support her candidate, support her. Right? Kasha, everybody know that you're using candy to get gift. Just like Taya. Taya never do live yet. And Taya do pure life for Ivan the got jail. And I play match. Because Taya is using what's going on with Ivan to get gift. And that is why Taya playing match every day. Which is you are the same thing, Kasha. That has nothing to do with me. Me is nobody's story. Me can't sit down for my live. Me can't sit down for my live and entertain my people and ask them. I call my straight man them. Right from I read my news. What you talk about? Me not for cuss girl. I'm a tell my story. I'm about to story them when I come here. Me not for cuss. She didn't even start tell life for me because me need a cuss. Me need to ask nothing for candy. Jesus. The woman said me a ask for candy. Me a ask money for candy. She said me a ask money for candy. I need to ask no money for candy. Why she a telling like that upon me? Why? Who go tell the woman to me ask money for candy? Who? You're not on the proof for sure.